I've got a job here that I'm doing for one of the lads on the forum I'm going to. In fact, my friend Bob's actually done this part of it. This comes flat pack, it was all disassembled. Bob's cleaned it all up and swirled it and made it all nice and square again, which is the sort of thing Bob is really good at and I'm not very good at. So Bob's done that bit. I've got to make, well, I'll show you what I've got to do. I've got to make this piece, which is about a 3/4 pipe with a bush in the end and a little flat bracket across it. The bush in the end has to take that light fitting. That looks quite old. That thread there, I've measured it at 1/2 inch 26, so it's 1/2 inch gas. I haven't got a 1/2 inch gas tap. 26 is near enough 1mm pitch for what that's got to do. So I'm going to make a 1/2 inch by 1mm threaded bush. I've got some 3/4 tube here, which it's not long enough, but I've got 2 pieces to weld together. So I'll clean this end up, turn a brass bush to fit in there, which will be soldered in or glued in, and then we'll put some threads in there, which are going to be 1/2 inch by 1mm pitch. The end of this tube looks like it's been used as a lever on something, so we'll cut a piece off just to get it nice and clean and tidy. I'm not sure what sort of tube it is, but it doesn't like that very much. The sort of tubing out of somebody skip for nothing. I'm going to open the hole out in the end just for an inch or so, just so my brass bush has got decent wall thickness on it. What we'll try to do first is, John, we'll take the tailstock down. You'll probably find it'll drill a lot better, like that. I'm going to make the bush out of brass, just brass is easier to work with. So that will go in there quite nicely. Once the bush is finished, it'll be a nice little tap in fit. Make sure that some of this first, I don't need that much, and I will leave it. tapping drill for 1/2 inch gas, 11.5 mil, 7/16. I've got a tool set on centre height and it's set square to the job. I've got the lathe set up to cut the 1 mil fixed thread. This being a metric lathe, I can engage and disengage the lead screw anywhere I want. All we're going to do is do one pass, disengage the lead screw, wind the cutter into clear, back out again, but it won't take many passes to cut this thread. We'll start it up. That's running fairly quick, but it's not ridiculous, it's certainly controllable. Back out to 0, little bit of cut, so again, a lot of spring on that tool, it's very flexible. I'll certainly cut better threads, but for a little brass light fitting, that'll definitely do the job. A decent interference fit. Okay, that's part of it done. I need this piece cut into 114 and weld onto the end of the other bit, and that will give us the full length I require. Material and stuff. This is the last bit to do, a piece of flat bar with 3 holes in, and that has to be fastened onto that upright we've made. That's a little brass bush I turned for the top of there. I think I'll draw that out on the computer and quickly cut it out with the plasma table. It'll be as quick as just trying to get a bit of stock and set it up and drill it. So we'll do that, and then I'll probably braze this onto the shaft instead of welding it. We'll see what happens. Always a good thing when it falls out. Not much the matter with that really, they're nice little clean 6mm holes. Minimum dross on the back. Just about there. If I'd cut the hole 18.5 instead of 18, it would have went straight in. But it doesn't take much to stretch them out. Pretty good. I think I'll raise this piece up with the tube. Get some measurements first. Very fortunate in finding this piece of cast iron. We're not finding it, I knew I had it, but it's got the right size hole in to keep that nice and true. A little bit of stainless sleeve on there, so that's all held nice and square. Run some brass around that, 90mm from the end. I could weld it on, but I've got this chance of it distorting with a brazing. Nice and fluff into it. So it's nice and neat and tidy, and no distortions, the main thing. That's actually silver solder, not brazed, but it'll do the job. Just what I had handy. That's it finished, other than a little bit of polish up. By soldering onto there or brazing onto there, it saved any bending or any pulling. Unfortunately, I didn't have a piece of bar long enough, but we managed to join them two together. I'll get him to send a picture of it when he gets it all assembled and see what it looks like. I'm sure he'll be happy with that. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes that are constantly coming in. A special thanks as well to anybody who has made a donation towards my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.